Hi, Papa J here. Today I'm going to show you how to move columns and rows using the fastest way, second fastest way, and the slowest way. Okay? Without further ado, let's begin. So I'm going to show you how to move the column the slowest way first. Okay, so this is what I was doing before. Okay, suppose we want to move this column, this product column, to the right of the category column. Okay, so what I usually do in the past is to go to the column to the right, on the right. Okay, open up a empty column and then going back to the product column, right? Copy. Okay, make sure you copy the whole thing. Copy and paste, right? And then I will delete this column. Okay, so let me change the heading. Okay, so this is a very slow method. Okay, let's do a Ctrl Z to go back to the to undo our actions. Okay, so I'm going to show you the second fastest way. Okay, so what you do is you do a Ctrl X cut. Okay, you do a cut and then you highlight this column over here, right click and click insert cut cells. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so this is the second fastest way. Ctrl Z to undo again. Okay, so let me show you a better way which I'm using right now. Okay, same thing, you just highlight the whole column. Okay, move your mouse until you see the 4 direction arrows. Okay, and you press down shift key and left click and you move. Okay, and you move. Okay, notice that you see the line over here. Okay, move to the right of this category column. Okay, and then you let go. Okay, so let me show you once again. Ctrl Z. Okay, move your mouse cursor to the edge of the column until you see the 4 direction arrows. Press down shift key, left click together, and you move until you see the line, you see the green line to the right of the category column, and then you let go. So there you go. Okay, so this is the fastest way, right? So similarly for rows, this is what you do. So for example, for this row, if I want to move, if you look at the order date, this order date should be below, just below the one in blue, right? Okay, so let me show you the slowest way. Okay, slowest way is to add a new row over here. I'm using shortcuts. Okay, I love shortcuts. Okay, add a new row over here. Copy this row. Copy this row. Okay, above, and then you delete this row. Okay, so this is the slowest way. Okay, let me show you the second fastest way. Similarly, okay, you have to cut the cells. Okay, highlight the whole row, cut the cells, Ctrl X to cut, right? Okay, and then highlight this row over here and insert cut cells. So there you go, right? So this is the second fastest way. Okay, let's undo the action. And now I'm going to show you the fastest way to move the column, to move the row up, just like the column. Okay, select the whole row, right? Go to the edge of the cell of the row. You see a 4 direction arrow sign. Press down the shift key, left click, and then you move up. Can you see the line over here? Okay, so just release just right below the cell in blue, and then you release. Okay, so there you go. Let me repeat again. Okay, when you select the whole row, move your mouse cursor to the edge, and you see a 4 direction arrow sign. Press down the shift key, left click, and you move up, and you let go. So there you go, right? So there you have it. How to move columns and rows the fastest way, the second fastest way, and the slowest way. Okay, so which one will you use? Which method will you use, or which method are you using right now, and will you use the fastest way? Just comment below and let me know, and I'll reply you. Okay, now if you find this video useful, Okay, please subscribe, and rest assured that I'll be producing quality videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Bye.